guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. In today's video, I am sharing my Christmas tree decorate with me, and this video is part of a challenge hosted by Heidi from Heidi Sonboul and Crystal from Crystal Hansen. We are supposed to show a process how we decorate a Christmas tree. I have 4 large Christmas trees, so I have chosen my main one to show you, which is my traditional one. I have done a video like this last year, so it would be fun to compare how I've changed my process a little bit if you want to, and share if we have any new special ornaments that we want to share, or anything fun that's involved with the decorating the Christmas tree, or any tips and tricks that we have. So without further ado, let's get started.
So here is my Christmas tree. The lighting in the room wasn't the best. I tried adding a spotlight to it as well, but it didn't help a lot. It keeps going dark and light. So I already set up the tree and I put up the lights, and I'm going to add these berries. This is a berry garland that I picked up at a Dollarama many years ago, and I love how the berries just kind of pop out here and there. So this tree is my very first tree that I had gotten. Actually, my mother-in-law had bought it for us when we first moved in together, which was, looking back 24 years ago or so, and it came from Michael's. I have to attach every single branch to it. It is not pre-lit because there was no such a thing, so it has over 1,000 lights on it, which I strung up by myself. So this process takes about good 2 hours for me to do, but I love the tree. It's so full and so real looking that I just don't have it in me to replace it. I just truly love the tree. So once I have placed the berries, I add this wide ribbon. I picked it up at Michael's last year, and I have 2 pieces like that, and then I also have just a wired ribbon, and I double it up and put that on. I am ready for this to change this up for next year. I just didn't do it this year because I wanted to have one more year with this look, but next year I'm definitely going to change the ribbon. The next thing, then I move on to my large ornaments. So I have these bells that I had picked up at Dollarama several years ago, and then I also have some large pomegranates that I put up, as well as just some gold large balls. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is a challenge hosted by Heidi and Crystal, so make sure you check out the playlist after you're done watching my video. It will be linked down below, as well as both of the girls' channels. So there's going to be a lot of Christmas tree decorating inspirations linked in my description box. Once I finished with a large ornaments, I move on to a medium size ornaments. I have lots of these pine cones that I put up, and just some smaller balls, and then these grapes. I'm not sure if I mentioned last year when I was decorating, but were one of the first ornaments that I had purchased for this tree, and they had come from a dollar store that no longer exists, and I just love the way they look on this tree. I think it just adds so much character to it. They look pretty good for a dollar store grape that I've purchased 23 years ago. And like I said, I still have them. They're still going strong, and I will not be replacing those. And then the rest of the ornaments are just mixture of birds, snowflakes, angels, and then I just add them where I see that it needs to be added. Thing that I add to my tree are these branches. They're the gold branches and the red shiny branches, and I just fill in anywhere where there's a little bit more of an opening that needs to be filled up. I fill them in there, and that's pretty much my tip that I have for you is florals are a great way to fill in any empty spots on the tree once you're done putting up all your decorations. You can get them pretty inexpensive at dollar stores. You can also go expensive at Michael's, and I think they just add so much to your tree. So here it is, all decorated. Like I said, the lighting in this room is, well, in my whole house is not ideal, but I think you get the idea of what my tree looks like. I really love this tree. It is I call it my main tree.
I would like to thank Heidi and Crystal for hosting this challenge, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to stick around, press the subscribe button. And I post these type of videos often, so there's lots to come, so make sure you also press the notification bell. And I would like to thank Crystal and Heidi again for hosting this. Their channels are going to be linked down below, and the playlist will be linked down below as well. So make sure you check out the playlist once you're done watching my video. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.